Hi friends, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I am Robin and this is my YouTube channel Robin School. I am basically a priest based in Bangalore, India. I've been making a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, especially based on Bible and music. I've also tried vlogs, but now I feel that I need to play according to the algorithm rules of YouTube. So what I'm thinking of doing is to have separate channel for my Bible videos and a separate channel for my music videos. So I've already opened two more channels. The first channel is called the Catholic Bible Project, which would host all my Bible based videos and videos based on Catholicism as well. I mean basically religion. And my other channel is Robinskool-Everything Music, where I would be posting all my music videos and my tutorials and all that. So links will be in the description. Make sure you go and check it out. But this channel is exclusively for all those people who want to follow me as a person. So I would be making video content on all those topics that I feel would help my friends out there in making their lives a little better than what it is right now. So on this channel, you can find video content on lifestyle, life principles, life hacks, productivity, psychology, self-improvement, and I love reading books, so I would be making videos on book summaries as well. So if any of these things feel interesting to you, then make sure you stay subscribed to this channel and stay connected.